Shosho kaze come back to speaker nawe. I'm still Boytela DJ. So ngifuna ukureacta la kwi-concert le ka-J Cole ezoba ngomhla ka-12 December in Joburg, FNB Stadium. So abantu abaningi bakhala bathi no amathikithi ambe eqolo because ama-price amathikithi aqala from 700 and I think ila mathikithi ale far e-stadium lawa. So amathikithi amaningi nje abizo 1 point something, 1.8, 1.6. So abantu abaningi babuza ukuthi uzoyifila apha e-FNB Stadium. I think possible ukuthi angayifila because ishow by-announce early unonyaka kokudayisa amathikithi, but even last year uTravis Scott amathikithi akhe bahluleke ukugcwalisa e-FNB Stadium naye ephume early, but I think uJ Cole ubigger than uTravis Scott and une-fan base strong and abantu abaningi nje bama-countries lawa aseduze wasemzansi lakha bo-Botswana no-Nigeria. I think abanye abantu abapossible abazofila i-stadium bese uba abelungu lesi nabo emzansi because abantu abaningi bayakholwa ukuthi sinabelungu aba-more than imillion emzansi and ama-show yibona abantu abafila pha ama-show kakhulu because from ishow le ngaka-attenda ka-J Cole 2016 la ezile 10 years ago kwakukhona abelungu yona majority ekhona. So I think lawo bantu-ke lawo bayiwa-afford amathikithi. So I think ishow izoba sold out maybe masiclose kuzothatha isikhathi eside because wona ama-price akhona athanda ukubiza kakhulu because ngo-2016 le time efikile I think wayiletha uCastle Light amathikithi around about 250 and i-capacity yaseDome oku-20,000. So this time they are going for 90,000 FNB Stadium. So akuyona-ke insango e-FNB Stadium, but I think amathikithi azophela but not anytime soon because ngeke ngabona ama-sales ephuma last week Friday ama-general lawa ama-standing amaningi athengiwe. I think asold out nje lawa ala eqaleni-ke. So amathikithi aseli lawa akuma-platinum lawa ama-price lawa athanda ukusinda kakhulu, but I think uzogcwalisa e-FNB Stadium. Hopefully maybe ngizokwazi uku-attenda because ngo-December few days before i-birthday yami, but I think le yango-2016 izohleli special kumina. That's why I'm also skeptical about uku-attenda le because lana yayi kwindawo evalekile lakhana i-dome ivalekile, i-sound yakhona and at that time uJ Cole I think wayekupeak yakhe. So right now I don't think ukupeak and I don't think uzoyifila apha e-FNB Stadium. So nginama-doubts amaningi but hopefully if amajita ezakiwe because kune-show ese-Joburg ngo-October i-Back to the Seats ba-celebrate 20 years and yona show ngifuna uku-attenda kakhulu because iyi-culture ye-hip hop and sibe khona isikhathi eside. So besibhajekthele yona-ke but-ke mase kuvela i-contest la ka-J Cole I think mhlampe kuzomele sibe ne-meeting maybe sithuze ukuthi yiphi kumele kiwe kuyona celebration ye-20 years ye-Back to the City Festival or else i-concert la ka-J Cole. But into engenza ngifuna ukuya kule concert ka-J Cole is because I don't think uzophindeza emzansi because i-South Africa kuletho yakhe yona only country ase-Africa ekhona lapho. So I don't think ikhona enye chance yophinde ibe khona uJ Cole eze-South Africa because even la amanye ama-countries ase-Africa abekhala ukuthi no kutho date abekho because last time enza ithiwa ase-Africa wezemzansi waya nase-Nigeria kuphela. So ayikho enye indawo akaya kuyona la e-Africa. So I think nje sinelakhe emzansi. I don't think uzophinde ebuye because ushilo vele wathi no album yakhe yokugcina lo so uya-retire. So I think nje abantu abafuna ukubona uJ Cole yona chance yabo leyo yokuqala yokugcina le. So bona ukuthi amathikithi azodayiseka but abantu abaningi bangabaza nami ngiyangabaza because ama-price akhona hayi ayabiza but possible ngithembe mina abelungu basemzansi ngiyabazi bayaphula apha kuma-show even nale show ka-Travis Scott bona babeningi kakhulu. So I think i-youth le white yona ezophula apha kakhulu kuleya show. Anyway sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Nawe, sikhona ku-Facebook ethi Speaker Nawe, TikTok naku-Twitch ethi Speaker Nawe. We out.